cars are passing me and I'm over the speed limit, and the cop is going with them. They're all doing 65 and the speed limit's 55.
That guy's so much on his tail.
He's passing the sheriff, the trooper.
They don't care. They don't care. And he went.
Oh, look at this.
Not good.
Look at this.
Stop. Slow down, dear.
He passed the trooper.
Turn right onto International Drive.
This must be it.
The wheel is turning.
All right.
In a quarter mile, turn right.
Wow, this is busy.
That might be the next.
Oh, I didn't realize we were in Icon Park. Okay, so yeah. Oh well, we'll see how this goes.
We're right beside it.
Yeah.
I think I gotta turn right here. The lights.
Oh, find some restaurants around
I
here.
don't think so.
No?
The next one.
Next. Okay. This is Jamaican Court. It's,
Oh, Ripley's Believe It or Not. That's cool.
we got it. Look at that building on the left, dude.
Yeah, Ripley's.
Yeah, it's crooked.
Okay, it's got to be here somewhere. Oh, it's a quarter mile. It is. Okay, there's another set of lights. Okay. This has got to be it. No, it's not telling us.
Twin Peaks.
It's the one right after.
That's about a quarter mile, but okay.
We're here. We're good. We're fine. We're departing.
Parting flights. Okay.
Then I'll go through and then I'll change.
Will you change again?
I'm going to change into my comfy clothes for the flight.
But you did look very pretty walking.
You're walking around, yes. Yeah.
And you bought us breakfast, and we saved you a taxi.
Mm-hmm. Which I would have claimed anyways.
I know, but still. Well, you can claim our gas. How about that?
Okay. I don't know if that works.
Well, it's not a very big airport, so you notice it.
Look at it, it's getting
But if it
bigger.
is all the way at the end, that's oh my god, I know. Alaska likes to be separate. I don't know why.
JetBlue,
Interjet,
LA,
Okra, Alaska.
Right here, dear.
right here. I can't park here.
That's fine.
Now you're in Valley. You're gonna
Virgin
be
Atlantic.
That's why I'm going to go past Valet and pull in here.
Yeah, this makes more. I don't know where it is. Emirates, Southwest.
Alaska's
Yeah.
behind you.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we got